Yes, to the local dirty Washington policewoman, dirty girl from Mandeville, dirty old police mattress Washington. Me not care if I want to say a pay drunker than Trinidad. At least drunker than Trinidad, but all of them better off than fucking Uno. And me sure me come to Trinidad and me better off than Uno. Because Uno feel back shit out of dog blood clot mouth. Me not care when I want to say if me racial or whatsoever. Me not really care. This is not about Jamaica. This is about the fast, dirty, Mandeville, nasty, dirty germsy girl them. When I ever fuck good. When I ever have a good blood clot bed. When I ever have a good pussy clot phone. When I have a good pussy. When I need a pussy replacement instead of no walk and watch people wear good pussy and people wear hustle. Listen, me left Jamaica and come to Trinidad, I'm a better off than blood clot, Uno. Guess why? Because jobs in Trinidad are like that. But guess why, Uno? Always we say drunker in Trinidad or whatsoever. Because Uno can't afford a blood clot ticket if you come to Trinidad. Remember, because ticket if you come to Trinidad is like England blood clot playing fair. Uno go away. Uno go sit down. Nobody care about Uno. You can share my video and what I about say. You didn't deserve bastard and whatsoever, drunker in Trinidad. Drunker in Trinidad, but remember, we doesn't care about you, girl. It's a police mattress. Instead of waiting your monthly pay, you walk and suck and fuck police cocky like a dat. Girl, go sit down. Go sit down and nobody in an argument with me. You ugly like a wife, you have a rat bat. I want to do some waste of time, people. You sit down a manifestation and I catch blood clot man like a dog. Instead you write log book, you sit down and take man. Girl, go sit down. Cause first of all, this girl, Lady Sparks, I don't wear people things. I don't beg nobody a night's dinner. Nobody responds to me. And I'm an independent bitch. I don't depend on man. I have a man that will mind me to the ground where I walk and where I do. I still work for my own. And I still own my own. And I'm a big woman. I'm supposed to do what I want to do. I'm 25 years old and I have a 7-year-old son. Fuck all of no. I doesn't care when I want to say. That don't really matter to me. That don't shake me. Why me come on Facebook and video because I want to know say. Me know no attack and Lady Sparks doesn't give a fuck. I don't give a last ras. You understand? And it's some big stinking cunts. You understand what I'm saying? So I just come off of my name and when I put up my video them, I don't want to share it. And anywhere I go through, I'm about a blood clot Mandeville friend on my Facebook. You're getting fuck off my Facebook. I'm not talking about Jamaica. When I say Jamaica, I don't mean Jamaica. I mean Mandeville, Christiana, Spalding people. The rest of fucking parishes, them don't have a problem. But Uno, we're hungry. We're sitting on Mandeville and consider people business every day with an unprogressive self. When I just want to fucking get people in a thing, don't get fucking me because I have no time. No time, Fiona. You hear? So please, let Lady Sparks, Stainless Berry, Sparksberry, Facebook page, come off and make my page. I don't want any Mandeville or Christian or Spalding people on my page. Come off. Only person gonna stay on it is my family. And only family gonna stay on it is my close family. Check on the fuck off. Because if I buck on you, I go black on you, and I go report to the professor. Suck on the mother. All on the mother is cunt. On a hungry fucking cunts. Fucking nasty mind. Small mind bitches. What wrong with you now? I never tell you no can't come Trinidad. Trinidad don't even want to know. Who in Trinidad are only Jamaicans in Trinidad already that have the papers can stay here. Let me tell you something. Enough Trinidadian immigration, Jamaican immigration take up every blood clot and it take up like a rat and dog. But me where my papers here, you can't say one fuck to me. And I will say this and I will always say it. In Trinidad, I don't like Jamaicans. Because everywhere they go, they make a problem. I love my Trinidadians. I never have a bacchanal, a mix-up, a problem with no Trinidadian. Only fucking Jamaicans. Low mind, non-progressive people. Why not like that? We don't need to change the system. Jamaicans don't need to catch up on themselves. We're not too terrible. If you know when to go, people know say no hog and dog. We don't have to stop it. Nobody don't have a problem with people putting up pictures, but we don't have problem. Betty at Trinidad and would never have my name all about talking. Nobody no business with you know. Nobody no look pan you. Right now my belly way real fucking full. I not care about you, so no come off of my blood clot name. I not care. Anybody wants to discriminate and say I'm racial? Yes, I'm fucking racial. Yes. As a nigger racial mother cunt.